All right, chat. I'm gonna go say this prayer. In the meantime, between time.
Brand new bag, time moves fast, life is short, make it last, let the past, be the past, get some cash, I ride Chris, but this not no looter, big fish, you little barracuda, came up from the deep scuba, I got money now, nigga, hallelujah, time moves fast, life's too short, I'm trying to make it last, I'm trying to dodge the punch. Lot of niggas changed, but I stayed the course. DEO stains on my Air Force. Woke up in the morning, don't know where the fuck my feelings at. The world could burn in front of my eyes and I wouldn't feel a threat. I walk outside and get myself a coffee, smoke a cigarette, and realize there's beauty in the world, I just hadn't seen it yet. I saw the shawty walk on the curb. She had me bugging, trying to shake off my nerves. I said what's up and hope that I don't get curved, and it worked, oh yeah. I said, excuse me, girl, can I have a word? She said, okay, but boy, I'm going to work. No disrespect, but I got no time to flirt, so don't be a jerk, yeah. 5 years later, you still call me yours, and you're still mine. My darkness was a blessing in disguise. Woke up in the morning, knew exactly what my feelings was. Me and Shawty make our exes mad, we don't give a fuck. We focused on this bigger picture, I go brick for brick with her. I stick with her, I sit with her, I get the bag and I split with her. I care for Shawty like she deserve. Put a couple bands inside of her purse, cause when I met the Shawty I had a curse, and she purrsed, oh yeah. I said, excuse me, girl, can I have a word? She said, okay, but boy, I'm going to work. No disrespect, but I got no time to flirt, so don't be a jerk, yeah. 5 years later, you still call me yours, and you're still mine. My darkness was a blessing in disguise.
Okay then. Yo, you guys really want this one, yeah? Put some fire in the chat if you really want this one, bro. Let me see, Doug. Let me see, bro. Maybe I slept on the chat. See, I be overthinking shit, bro. Oh my days. I'll do the push-ups. Relax. I be overthinking though, bro. Bro, I got so much fire stuff in the vault that I'm just like, they're not gonna love this one. But like, yo. Should I, chat? I might just, bro. I might just, chat. Play it again. All right, maybe since I didn't give you guys a C mix this week or last week or whatever, You deserve this one, you know? Maybe I post this one on YouTube.
You got money. He got money. Get it off for him.
Woke up in the morning, don't know where the fuck my feelings at.
Lulu, thank you for the gift. I appreciate it.
My eyes and I wouldn't feel a threat. I walk outside and get myself a coffee, smoke a cigarette, and realize there's beauty in the world. I just hadn't seen it yet. I saw her shawty walk on the curb. She had me bugging, trying to shake off my nerves. I said what's up and hope that I don't get curved, and it worked. Oh yeah, yeah. I said excuse me girl, can I have a word? She said okay, but boy I'm going to work. No disrespect, but I got no time to flirt, so don't be a jerk. Yeah, yeah. 5 years later, you still call me yours, and you're still mine, 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 mine. My darkness was a blessing in disguise.
You got your money.
Woke up in the morning, know exactly what my feelings was. Me and Shawty make our exes mad, and we don't give a fuck.
That's what I'm talking about!
Focused on this bigger picture, I go brick for brick with her. I stick with her, I sit with her, I get the bag and I split with her. I care for Shawty like she deserve. Put a couple bands inside of her purse, cause when I met the Shawty I had a curse, and she pursed. Oh yeah, yeah. I said excuse me girl, can I have a word? She said okay, but boy I'm going to work. No disrespect, but I got no time to flirt, so don't be a jerk. Yeah, yeah. 5 years later, you still call me yours, and you're still mine, 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 mine. My darkness was a blessing in disguise.
I see a lot of people saying I should, well, not a lot of people, but some people said I should add it on T's and C's. I'm thinking about doing the same thing, brother. We are on the same page, bro. I might have to get Teller to do a verse on this quick. One in the chat if you want me to add this on T's and C's, bro. One in the chat. I just want to see a one. Say no more. Say no more. Who else do I get on it? Nah, actually, John. Tell her. It's T's and C's. Hey? And C. He's T. Okay, bet. All right. Get Chris Brown. I wish it were that easy, bro. I sent that nigga hella ideas, bro. I guess he ain't like him. Dang. Just me and Teller. I bet. This shit is so old. Oh, that's 10 push-ups. Eish.
Selling girls' dreams, I can penetrate the market. Skyscraper heels, shawty far from me the hardest. She just wanna party, shake some ass and party. She look like she twerking, but she walking. I'm daddy, bitch, yeah. All her purse and shoes came from daddy, bitch. Hop inside the AMG with daddy, bitch. Ho, quit playing and get down on your knees for your daddy, bitch. Daddy. I say what you packing in them jeans, she say cargo. I say where you from, little mama, she say shit, Chicago. She know I'm a soldier, salute, I don't want.
Luxury.
Boy 50. I don't look for trouble, trouble finds me every time. Like every time my niggas hit my line. Say they miss some things from out of town and it was fine. They say, do you wanna ride? And I say, fine. And someone wants to celebrate their birthday every time. Say she's turning 25. We end up taking shots and pouring liquor down her spine.
He said someone steal his hard drive. Oh shit. If that happened, you guys would get a lost file. So actually, that would be a good thing, I feel like. Yeah. Daddy did drop? Okay.
Is this life better than my past one? Is that one better than the last one? Something tells me that I'm on my last one. I hope I don't crash and burn, living a fast one. Cause I get high on the fat one. On my side, I keep a bad one. If this life better than my past one, it's gonna be my... Part of my plan is we all get rich. I don't give a fuck, goddamn. We can never fall by bitch. Part of my ends and I'm part of my clans and I'm part of my bitch. Part of my mans and I'm proud of myself and I'm proud of my bitch. Nigga baby, part of my bitch. Call my saying, so you call my bitch. None of my saying, so they part of my band. Who you calling my bitch? None of my sayings and they calling my man. Who you calling my bitch? It's all on my end, but it's all on my hand. Who you calling my bitch? Nobody ballin' like this. I done made songs and they callin' like this. Let them ain't callin' like this, like this. Let them ain't call like this, like this. Let them ain't call like this. This only times when they call like this. Ain't finna mall like this. Chain finna call like this. Ball like this and they call like this. Penny main chain, who you callin' my bitch? Yeah. Who they callin' my bitch? Yeah. They ain't seen he callin' my bitch. Yeah. Man, but he callin' my bitch. Yeah. I done get short of my bitch. They don't want call my bitch. Tell the bitch saying that they part about this. And they call they saying what it fall like this. Part of my plan was we all get rich. I don't give a fuck, goddamn. We can never fall by bitch. Part of my ends.
Hey, yo. That's just mumbles. There's no word. I mean, there are a couple words, but like, I'm not saying shit there. Oh, damn, that's 15. Holy.
Girl, you got that ass that look like Taco Bell. Wow, you post a picture now and shut it down. Wow, don't make me feel this tank and hit your town. Like fuck your body count, I'll be a statistic now. Wow, I picture you in nothing but a towel. Wow, I pull it down while you fix your crown. Wow, you crack a smile, say I'm such a clown. You take a bow, I hit that shit like bow, bow. She got a nigga thirsty, ass fat, waist snatch, titties perky. And she work it when it's not even a work day. You got all that cake. I listen more and peep your perspective. More delicate and less aggressive. I be impressive.
Bro. Chat. There's a guy from Nigeria. His name is Fields. Yeah. He's a producer / artist / songwriter, whatever. So tough, bro. So tough. Me and him made this song. I don't think I will ever drop it. Like every time I've like come this close to dropping it, I always change my mind last minute and I was like, nah. And then I left it on the side. And I feel like it's going to be one of those that never see the light of day. So I feel like I should leak this one. But I'm not going to leak the whole thing now. I might just play you guys a little bit. There's some songs in here I don't even remember, bro. What is that?
Protecting my life, protecting my art. Cause life is a bitch, and I ain't fucking her raw. You fuck fuck with my son's bitch and I'm up in the rod. But you won't feel like 50 Cent when you get struck in the jaw. Many men think it's a joke till they can't stand up at all. He didn't have to say nothing gay, but we gave him the pause. A lot of people disappointed when I gave him the ball. I guess the urge to make it out just wasn't made for us all. Yeah.
Eish. 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 You won't feel like 50 Cent when you get struck in the jaw. Many men think it's a joke till they can't stand up at all. He didn't have to say nothing gay, but we gave him the pause. Get out of here, Doug. Get out of here, man.
Peace in a stack, in a pack. Boy, you better relax. Jeez, the baby got ass on his fat, and her jeans was showing her crack. She was dumping that shit on my sack. Make it clap, make it clap, make it jiggle and clap. Jeez, I look good, I deserve me a snap. I've been flying all over the map. I've been gone, but baby, I'm back. Baby, I'm back.
Hey, yo. Okay, all right. What the fuck? You heard that in the gym once. That's cap.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Came with the vibes, put all the lame shit aside. Niggas tryna take my vibe, too late, planes in the sky. Yeah, I take this shit to the heart, I'm pulling my chains to the side. Yeah, I can still bag your bitch if I put all the fame to the side. Yeah, that ain't, boy, you cold. Boy, you...
Nah. Oh my God, that shit dookie. Ass. I don't like that at all. Holy shit. Hey. Oh my God, that's 20.
Tell me how you feel about the future. Could it be so ugly that I lose ya? Or maybe be as beautiful as you are. No. Tell me how you feel about the future. Say you love me, say you trust me.
Okay. I feel like I dropped this snippet out before. I feel like I dropped this one.
Oh yeah, oh boy, this shit. Pussy put me right in my coffin. Yeah, I'm dead. Right about the pussy. She came, she fled. Right about the box. Out of my socks. Out of my box. Disclaimer, I did not top her. The pussy put me right in my coffin. Yeah, I'm dead. Right about the pussy. She came, she fled. Right about the box. Out of my socks. Out of my boxers. I did not top her. Yeah, I get top to the top her. Giving up on a dick, that's not her. I got a dancer with her next, she a bop her. She a transformer, I can't stop her. Rose gold around my nigga, they cop her. I thank God I never became a doctor. I became a doctor and made a lot more money. What a shot. So they hopping this whip, G-Wag. Shawty say cool, let's dip. T-bag, yep, she bad. Ice, see that, bitch, I can change your life. Believe that. Pipe, laying that pipe, cutting me a slice. I ain't gotta tell her that twice. Shawty, you nice, come fuck me right. Oh boy, this shit, man. Put me right in my coffin. Yeah, I'm dead. Murdered by the pussy.
Oh shit.
Pussy agua. Ass so fat, it's worth the drama. I wanna sleep in that shit like pajama. Like, come on, little mama. We casa su casa. Yeah. Drink some drinks and smoke some Zaza. I'm in love with your persona. I think I wanna cuddle and cradle ya. I wanna pamper and baby ya. I wanna sleep in your labia. I wanna do reps till failure. I want you to sing like Fantasia. When I'm hitting it crazy, I want you to look in my eyes and tell me go crazy. I'm pulling you, I'm blowing you, I feel like I'm vaping you. Knocking you out and I'm resuscitating you. The way you handle my balls, I'm making you captain, there's no way I'm trading you. When I sit in this chair and you give me your head, I feel like Professor Xavier. It's till the wheels fall off. She the type of bitch you call boss. She the type you got a raw dog. African bunda, eyes Hong Kong. She the type to rub a nigga back, hug her from the back and get my calm on. She the type that I can call on. She the type I never stall on. And I put it all on God. Hey caliente pussy agua, yeah. Ass so fat it's worth the drama. I wanna sleep in that shit like pajama. Come on, mama, mi casa su casa. Yeah, drink some drinks and smoke some Zaza. I'm in love with your persona. I think this could be Nirvana. Come on, mama, mi casa su casa. Yeah.
That's not that bad. It's a very funny song. The shit I said there is unhinged. Like what the oh my god, that's 25. Damn. All right. See, I want to sleep in your labia. I mean, yeah, but god damn, that's something you that's a text, brother. Maybe an inside thought. Hey, yeah. Oh.
I'm sending my heart through the mail. I'm falling in love, can you tell? Cause I dream about lifting you fail. Tell you I do and you say it as well. And I bought you some flowers to smell. Where you going, baby, leave me a trail. You gon' be mine, the time will tell. My fatal desire, my fire, my hell. I need you here, by my side. I'm feeling bad, I need my high. Girl, nobody can match what you bringing to me in my life. If they tell me I'm wrong for this chase, I don't wanna be right. That's right. Girl, I can't change you, but if I can't have you, then nobody can have you. Yeah, nobody. I'm burning down houses, I'm stabbing a tire or something. Like what's goody, me and Jimmy back to bully. If it's pussy money week, then we gon' get into it fully. What's your bitch to me? Just a bitch to me. I got broke niggas talking rich to me. It's a mind fuck, come and get your mind fuck, baby. I look up and seen the stars lined up, baby. I got one life, so I keep a 9 tuck, baby. Geeking on the low, tweaking on the low.
All right, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Jiggy, clip it and fucking ship it.